Hi, it's Emma with Really Simple Recipes, and today we're making eggless mayonnaise filling. Eggless mayonnaise is a really simple recipe. It'll take us a few minutes to go through, and it's something that you can prepare very quickly at home. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'll run through the ingredients with you. So we have turmeric, black salt, mayonnaise and silken tofu. So first what we're going to start with is your silken tofu. And what we need to do with this tofu is we're going to mash it up. So with this you're looking for not too soft a silken tofu, you can get your firm silken. This makes a really nice eggy texture. So just give that a good mush. There we go. And you'll see there the tofu is all mushed up. So now we'll add in your mayonnaise. Just keep this, make sure we get it all out of the bowl. Okay, I'm just going to give that a mix up. Try to keep it all in the bowl, would be a good idea as well. There you go, as you can see already it's starting to have that consistency of egg mayonnaise. And we're going to pop in your black salt, and this is what gives it that eggy flavour. So when you open the black salt, you'll smell it straight away, the egginess. This is something which is a little bit difficult to get hold of. It's not something you can get from your normal high streets. So you're looking for somewhere like Amazon, they sell black salt. And just give that a good mix in. There we go. And the final ingredient that we're going to add in there now is going to be your turmeric. And you only want a little tiny bit of turmeric. The reason we use it is just to give it that yellowy colour, that eggy colour. So we'll just add that in there as well, give that a good mix. And it's a really simple recipe to do, and the good thing is it's something that you can take to work with you, or you can give it to the kids to take to school. Lovely just to pop into a sandwich. And that is it, your eggless tofu mayonnaise. If you've enjoyed my recipe today, please do give me a like. And if you would like to see more of my really simple recipes, please do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell. And if you've got any comments or any feedback, pop that below and I'll get back to you on that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video today.